Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Grass Airdrop, how to mine Grass Airdrop season 5. Yes, this should be season 5. So if you have not started this airdrop, I will drop the link in the description of this video. Use that link and join. And if you're here to subscribe to this channel, kindly subscribe, like and share. To mine this Grass Airdrop, you need to log in with your desktop. This project is done very well on the desktop. Yes, whereby you can now connect your wallet. So this particular grass, it doesn't require stress. All you need is for you to log into your desktop. Go to your desktop, that's laptop, type app.getgrass.io. Log in with the same email that you used to log on your phone. Once you log in, you know how to sign up. You put your email, password, they will send you OTP. Then you go to your click on verify email and automatically your email will be verified. And if you come over to this reward task, you will see that your email is verified right here. So once you verify your email, the next thing to do is to connect to your network, which is the most important thing here. You need to connect to your network, and your network being on 247 will help you to mine faster. You are not doing any other thing than to make sure that your data is on, and automatically it will be mining for you, and you will be seeing your earning every day here. Somewhere here you'll be seeing your earning for the day. So that is how to do it. And once you connect your wallet, another thing to do right now is to click down here. You can now see that you need to connect your Solana wallet. Yeah, you need to connect your Solana wallet. Yes, but before you do this, you need to connect your internet. And after that, you now connect your Solana wallet. And that is it. It doesn't have any other thing to do to this particular thing. Doesn't have more stress. Just make sure that your data is on and it will be mining for you. So if you are yet to join this project, the link will be in the description of this video. You that link and join my WhatsApp for more updates. Thank you guys, and see you guys in my next video.